All right, people, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but finally got some stuff done on the Mustang I can show you, and I'll just start at the front here and give you a full walk around for those of you that haven't seen the car before. It's a 99 Mustang. Gonna be a Coyote swapped car, but I guess I should call it more than just a Coyote swap. It's basically gonna be a race car. It's gonna be a big single turbo, rods, pistons, Coyote. Yeah, stock crank, heads ported, head studs, all the good stuff, just rods, pistons. Turbo 400 behind it, big single turbo. The engine is done, I just gotta pick it up from the machine shop here in the next couple weeks. Transmission is done, it's in the corner back there, so we'll be able to get going on this car here soon. But here's the front. It's a Team Z strut towers forward kit. I got a lot of Team Z products on this car, just like most. New edges and Fox bodies. This section of the frame rails was rotted when I changed this K-member. Went to torque down these bolts and actually squashed the frame rail. So that's what kind of pushed the move on this part of the car. Chassis doctor in West Harrison repaired that for me. You can see how he sectioned it out, welded that new piece in there. There's all the welds all the way around. It is a UPR tubular K member. That's like the only thing not Team Z on this car. Flaming River manual steering rack. I do have a manual brake kit to put on this car here soon. That's going to be the next steps for this car. I just picked this up last week from the chassis shop. This is a Team Z 10.850 gauge. Only difference between the 8-point and the 10-point is this full hoop around the roof line, whereas the 8-point cage just has the roll bar. But it did a pretty good job, as you can see. Car also has Team Z mini tub kit. I'll show you the rear end under the car too. It's a Tin Soldiers battle ready 8.8. Got some nice RC comp wheels. As you can see, this 8.8 has 9-inch ends on it, so it has 35 spline axles, 5/8 studs. Very nice deal. Here's the trunk. In order to run the battle ready 8.8 setup, you have to cut out the spare tire well and put in a flat tin sheet, which the chassis shop did. You can see the tub work there. And then I'll show you under the car and why you have to cut out that spare tire well. All right, so as you can see, it's kind of dark under here, but got some Thomas Racing Service coilovers. I bought those secondhand, and right there is why you have to cut out the spare tire well. This is a new bar that mounts for the coilover mount setup. It's nice and roomy under here now with that spare tire well gone, the fuel cell gone. This is a Team Z removable anti-roll bar. I need to get this crap off of there, which today I'm painting the cage. Can't really see the torque boxes from here. You could probably see that one. But yeah, I got Merillat Racing torque boxes. That's all the new 4-link under the car. But yeah, that's the majority of what's going on today. Like I said, today I'm gonna clean up this cage and paint it. After that, I'm gonna put this thing up on jack stands, run all new brake lines and put that manual brake kit in, install the dash, and next couple weeks I'll order a converter, engine mounts, and when the engine comes in, we'll get all that sat in the car and mocked up. And you know, if you're interested in this build, and I'll make update videos here and there and show you what I had to do to put these parts on, because I'm learning myself and maybe I can help you out along the way. Make sure you subscribe. I know Ryan has some videos that he hasn't posted, so you may see his Cadillac in the near future. It's a CTSV, it's a twin turbo car with bull horns. It's like a 3,600 pound car, potentially heavier. That's a stick shift car that runs 9, so that's an interesting build you're gonna wanna see. If you're wondering why these tires are tucked in so far, they don't have the rotors or nothing behind them yet. But yeah, this is the car today. It's filthy. It's been sitting for about 2 years, but it's finally to the point where I can start putting it back together. So you may see some more frequent videos in the near future, and do us a favor and like and subscribe. Thanks.